Well, good morning, everybody. A lot of reports of light snow coming in. We have reports from Scituate, Pawtucket, Cranston. Most of those are reports being light. In fact, we can look at where the snow is right now on live Pinpoint Doppler 12, and you could see much of northern Rhode Island, western Rhode Island, and even down through Westerly seeing some of that snow. In fact, we can take you a little bit closer in. Greenville reporting snow as of late, and you can see it's a little bit heavier north and west of 295, but for the most part, it's still light. I'm just speaking relatively where we're not seeing much snow at all falling to the east of 295, but eventually this batch of snow will spread to the east. In fact, Cranston reporting some light snowflakes as of late. Now down here in Westerly, notice how we're stuck in the blue indicating snow. There is a chance we're also seeing some rain falling. Sometimes the radar kind of getting confused when it's showing this pink and green color. So I haven't seen an official report from Westerly just yet, but the bottom line is this: not a lot of snow will accumulate today. It's really tonight where the bulk of that accumulation will occur, but some rain mixing with snow will be off and on throughout the day. Now, as we look at the city of Providence, if it's snowing, it must be coming down very lightly because I don't see any big snowflakes on the camera right now. Temperatures above freezing for the most part right now. Your weather headlines break down like this: 7 o'clock tonight through 1 p.m. tomorrow afternoon, a winter weather advisory goes into effect. Now, these are usually issued not because of a lot of snow accumulation, but rather the tough conditions on the roads. That's what we'll see overnight through tomorrow morning. Light to moderate amounts expected. Right now, I'm kind of leaning more towards light amounts for most of us, and then ending by around noontime tomorrow, but the wind will keep going. In fact, those winds really increasing by tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, and even into President's Day. Temperatures right now, like I mentioned, pretty much all above freezing. 36 Pawtucket, 33 Newport, and we'll stay just above freezing for most of the day. That's why not a lot of the snow will stick. I mean, we could see an inch or two of accumulation north and west of 295, but again, the bulk of the accumulation not coming until later on tonight. So here is piece number one of our snow event, and you could see that snow being indicated 8 o'clock this morning. Now, as we go into the early afternoon, I'm stopping this around 2 o'clock. Notice we have the clouds, not a lot in the way of precipitation, indicating if we see anything falling at all, it will be quite light, maybe some light rain or snow showers, but we could see a complete break in the precipitation. And then here is round number two. This one will be a little steadier, 10 o'clock, the blue filling in, and then off and on snow possible all the way through tomorrow morning. A few heavy bands could slip on through, and even through noontime tomorrow, some of that snow still falling. By tomorrow afternoon, it exits from west to east. Late tomorrow afternoon, still hanging on to some snow across the Cape, but we will be done with the snow at this point. So 2 to 5 inches for most of us, 1 to 2 for western Massachusetts, western Connecticut, 3 to 6 possible from New Bedford and points east out towards the Cape Cod Canal. Could see some higher amounts into the outer Cape where a winter storm warning is in effect. And again, right now the latest computer information tells me we'll be closer to that 2 or 3 inch mark rather than the 5. But stay tuned to future forecasts. A lot could change. We will be updating you online throughout the day, WPRI.com, and TJ's in with another forecast tonight.